Today we're making one of my son's favorites, mac and cheese. We're going to start by boiling 2 cups of macaroni noodles. Speaking of boiling, has anyone ever said anything to you that just seemed to make your blood boil? Well, Proverbs 15 verse 1 says that a soft answer turns away wrath, but harsh words stirs up anger. And the next time someone says something crazy to you, remember Proverbs 15 verse 1. Try it. It works. Now back to our recipe. There are several ways to make the cheese sauce, but I thought that this would be the most convenient and easiest ingredient list for everyone to find. So this one is made out of butter beans, or I think they're also called Lima beans, but I couldn't find any in my local store, and I wasn't trying to drive all over town looking for the beans. So I just bought the Lima beans and I soaked them overnight, cooked them for a couple of hours, and got 2 cups of it, and that's what we use as the base. The ingredient list will be in the description, but here's some unsweetened plant-based milk, veggie stock, water, plant-based butter, lemon juice, nutritional yeast. This is what will give the sauce that cheesy flavor. Salt, paprika. These are vegan cheese shreds. I like the Daya brand, but you can use any plant-based cheese that you can find. Now this is optional. You can use this if you prefer to have your cheese kind of like a sharp cheddar cheese taste. I like it, so I use the tahini sauce to mimic that sharpness in cheddar cheese. Those are all the ingredients. Then you just throw them into the blender. If you have a high-speed blender, that would help, but it's not necessary. If you don't have a high-speed blender, you just gotta blend it longer. But as you can see, my camera skills are very amateur at this stage, so just bear with me. But you just throw all your ingredients in there, blend it until smooth, and I will show you the end result. Again, please ignore my off-center shot. Because I have a high-speed blender, this didn't take too long, maybe about a minute or so to blend up. And it turned out really creamy and really smooth and really good. I just need a few more seconds to admire how creamy and delicious this cheese sauce turned out. Then you'll just add that cheese sauce to the already prepared macaroni noodles and warm it up to warm through, and then you can serve. It's delicious. Now look at all that. Doesn't that look delicious? It tastes as good as it looks, guys. Trust me. You'll want to taste it. At this point, you can adjust the salt to taste, and then you can serve. Then you can plate this puppy and serve it warm. You can serve it with some vegetables on the side. We didn't have time to make no vegetables today. We just were hungry and we wanted to hurry up and eat. We just slapped some paprika on there, took some pictures, and devoured this thing. We really were hungry, because once we put the paprika on there, we ate this thing. We didn't worry about taking videos to show you guys a taste test, but trust me, it was good. Well, we hope you enjoyed the recipe. Give it a try and let us know how you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and ring that notification bell, and look for us on Facebook and Instagram. Don't forget that no matter where you are on your journey, there is always room for you on our table right here at Poly Vegan Kitchen.